students, in the previous class I have already explained about your force. Any kind of push or pull an object is called force. Now today's topic, that is energy. The ability to do work is called energy. Even machines need energy to do work. We are doing any kind of work like reading, writing, doing exercise, we need energy. Even machines also need energy to do work. Now, types of energy. The first of all, we are talking about heat energy. Energy that we get from heat is called heat energy. The energy is produced by burning fuels like coal, LPG and kerosene. We use heat energy to cook food. LPG, what is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Clear? Now, light energy. Energy that we get from light, it is produced by sun, bulb, CFL, compact fluorescent lamp, candle, etc. We are able to see with the help of light energy. Even moons also provide light. So we can easily recognize a thing in the presence of light. Kinetic energy. The energy of an object due to its movement, like moving bus, moving cycle, running boy. If the object is in rest position, then it's okay. If they start moving, that is kinetic energy. Potential energy. The energy stored in a body due to its position. Just like example, the water stored in a tank above the roof. Above the roof, we are looking, the tank is there and the water is stored inside it. That is a kind of potential energy. The means object is in rest position. Okay? Mechanical energy. Energy is an object due to its position and its movements. The water stored behind a dam has potential energy, which changes into kinetic energy when the water falls down from a certain height. We are storing the water in a dam, and from the certain height just start flowing the water. And what happened? That is in the potential energy in the rest position, and when water starts flowing, that is in the form of kinetic energy. Now, electrical energy. The energy that we get from electric current, it is used to run appliances like TV and washing machine. It is generated at power stations and supposed to our homes. We are just providing electricity to various big factories and some power station and providing homes also. Clear beta? Next, wind energy. Moving air is called wind. It has the power to move things. This is a diagram of wind energy. Here, yes, this is a diagram of windmill. Here, it has the power to move things. You store the wind and just give it. Windmill is used for generating electricity. It is a renewable and non-pollution free. It is also a renewable source of energy you can use for a long time. Now, solar energy. This is a just see, this is the solar cooker. Here the mirror, the sunlight rays falls on this mirror and it is used to cook food. In the solar cooker we are using for heat water, and we are using nowadays solar cookers and solar watches, solar calculators also we are using, and nowadays we are looking solar panels also we are using for generating electricity. Clear? Now, hydro energy. The flowing water of river is an important source of energy. The energy of flowing water generate electricity in hydroelectric power plants. Now look at this diagram. This is a dam. Here, this is, now look at here. We are storing the water here, and with the help of dam we are storing the water, and whenever water flows in a very fast speed through turbine, generator and through transformer we are generating the electricity, and we are providing electricity to our homes, factories, clear, and power plants for it. Clear? And with the help of the flowing water we are generating the electricity. Clear? Our homes, factories, clear, and power plants for it. Clear? And with the help of the flowing water we are generating the electricity. Clear beta? Sound energy. It is produced when an object starts vibrating. Just like the string of a guitar vibrates to produce the guitars, we are using synthesizer, dholak, drum beats. Clear? That is a kind of sound energy. Geothermal energy. Heat from within the earth is called geothermal energy. We can generate electricity by using the steam and hot water produced inside the earth. You know, we can generate electricity by using steam and hot water produced inside the earth. That is a kind of geothermal